thing. You want to see what else they got you?
Yeah. Oh, they got a candy. Did you open it? It is first size.
No?
Did you open it for me? Are they nuts?
No, but you have to have it after breakfast.
Oh.
Here, Jake. I'm going to show you what Grandma and Grandpa White sent you. Get down right there. Dagan, get down right there so you can see it.
They have M&M.
These awesome shorts. No, this shirt. What do you say?
Thank you, Grandma and Grandpa.
Wasn't that nice?
Yeah.
And they sent us these.
And they did next off.
Hey.
Mommy.
You can't have that right now.
Mommy.
We need to have breakfast.
Oh, they sent us 3.
Yeah. You want that?
Mommy.
Say thank you, Grandma. Thank you, Grandpa.
Why they sent us these 2?
Because they love you guys so much. And there's the crying baby. Siler! Siler! Hello! Cope, dig and say that's awesome, Cope.
That's